Okay, so we are going to learn how to create our own introductions and then how to modulate from one key to the other. This video is not going to be too lengthy. In the first place, you can apply circle of fifth or the other type, whichever way you want it. Sometimes you can look around the song and see which part of the song is reoccurring. After knowing that, you build your ideas from there. There you go. Let's take introductions first. I am the type I like listening to a lot of classical pieces from Messiah, Handel, J.F. Frederick Handel, Mozart, and other people, and then that is where I mostly get my ideas from. I build on it. I create a theme around a particular angle in the song. Yes. So let's take this National Science and Maths quiz theme, for instance. Like, yes, you can build a theme. Maybe you want to play Ode to Joy, like SDAH hymn 12. I think joyful, joyful we are Lord. You can either use this song, is it by Mozart or Beethoven? You've created something, and the moment people begin to hear this, like, it puts smiles on their face, like, oh, is this guy crazy? How can you be playing a song with this kind of embellishments? Yes, let me put it that way. You get it? So just listening to a lot of pieces. You listen, you create from a song like To God Be the Glory is a popular song, a popular hymn. So I'll build mine from stanza into the fourth stanza. You want to modulate from F to, or from a tone to tone. So let's say you want to make a tonal modulation. You just go straight, the same idea for the introduction. Change. This is very simple. And then also making a key change, we have other ways to modulate, like this from F to G. Sequential progression. build the chords. Applying the base will be circle of faith. If you know about circle of faith, you would easily understand this. This is sweet. So your ideas may come from within, or you can sit down and then create. For example, like thine is the glory, for instance. Still be the same idea, but this time around you apply circle of faith and then change smoothly. This is what we can learn for today. Just sit down and then follow the video, get the idea, sit down, you try to, if either you can try to improvise from this particular video, or just pick a song and then try as much creating for your own and see how it will be. You will love it. Thank you so much. See you another day.